Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. I've got a brand new crypto tracker and Bitcoin solo lottery miner here today. I'm going to be giving away a brand new set of everything you see here to one lucky viewer. So keep watching the video to find out how you can win both the Bitcoin miner and crypto tracker. First, let's take a look at everything you need to know about these devices from Jingle Mining. Then I'll show you how to get them set up. If you're interested in ordering anything from Jingle Mining, I have a 1% discount link in the description of the video to help save you some money. It's also an affiliate link, so if you use it, I appreciate it as I will get a small commission. If you don't mind, while you're down there checking out the description to get that link, if you could please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you like the content, I really appreciate that. And let's go ahead and get into the video. First, let's check out the Jingle Mining crypto tracker. Then we'll check out the Bitcoin solo lottery miner. Crypto tracker is just a cool little device you could leave on your desktop next to your computer so you can glance over and see the price of Bitcoin and get excited when it hits like 120 grand like it's been doing lately. Pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and scroll down. It's only like less than 2 inches. I think the longest section of it is like 2 inches, so it's very small. It's not going to take up a lot of room on your desk. So the other thing is it's pretty much instant tracking. It's saying it's second level price tracking, real time, accurate insight into cryptocurrency prices. They've got tons of different cryptos right here. It's showing Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano. Then you can get different colors and things like that if you want. The one that I have on my desktop that I showed in the picture is yellow. They all look pretty sweet. And then here's the sizes. Like I said, the longest section of it's 1.9 inches, so it's very small. It comes with a USB-C cable, so you can just plug it in to whatever extra USB-C outlet you got hanging around. And then they also include a user's guide. So we'll go through this step by step in the video. And if you are looking for a written guide, they have it. Now let's check out the Bitcoin solo lottery miner. The Jingle Mining Bitcoin Solo Mini Lottery Miner is $49.90. We get 300 kilohash per second. With any solo lottery miner, you're just basically like playing the lotto. This is not going to mine you any Bitcoin unless you hit a block, and it's super, super rare to hit a block with a solo lottery miner. It's just for fun, and it's kind of like going and playing like the Mega Millions or whatever your state lotto is, you know. You're paying for the electricity to run this thing, and you're paying for the initial cost of ordering it, like the $49.90, and then usually affiliate link, you get 1% off. But if you do hit, which is very, very, very difficult, and don't count on it, basically, you would get 3.125 Bitcoin. So the price currently for Bitcoin would bring you pretty much Lambo money here. So $117,000 for Bitcoin today, 3.125 Bitcoin would be $366,362. But like I said, the odds are very, very against you for you to hit a block with a solo lottery miner. Just like with the crypto tracker, they have some instructions to follow on their website. We'll go ahead and do the video version of the setup so you guys can blast through it and check it out and see if it's something you're interested in doing. Okay, first get your phone out and click into the Wi-Fi on your phone and connect to JM Crypto Tracker. It will probably say something like internet may not be available, and I just clicked connect only this time. I ended up having to go into mobile data settings and turn off the mobile data temporarily so it would connect to the tracker's Wi-Fi. Next, open up Chrome browser on your cell phone and punch in the IP address 192.168.4.1. In the drop-down menu, select your Wi-Fi network and then punch in your password and hit connect. Then the crypto tracker will connect to your Wi-Fi network. And right off the bat for me, it worked and connected and showed the current Bitcoin price, which is 117,476. Pretty sweet. Next, you just need to see which IP address your Wi-Fi router gave to the crypto tracker, and then you just punch that into your mobile apps like Chrome browser, and then it will take you to this screen. And on this screen, you can select whichever cryptocurrencies you want to have displayed on the crypto tracker, and you should also change the time zone to whatever your time zone is. And that's it. It's that easy. The crypto tracker is all set up so we can track our favorite cryptocurrencies on our desktop right next to us. So let's go ahead and get into the next portion of the video where we're going to set up the Jingle Miner BTC Solo Mini Lottery Miner. Sorry to interrupt your video, but a quick word from the sponsor of the video, EMCD. Are you sick of mining pools taking 3% fees and offering subpar tools in return? Then you should check out EMCD. They offer extremely competitive pool fees coming in at just 1.5%. Not only that, but if you have any trouble, you can talk to a real human 24/7 to help you resolve any issues quickly. That kind of support is very valuable because, as you know, time is money in crypto. Their intuitive all-in-one dashboard helps you keep organized and includes payouts, rewards, and even an option for up to 8% auto staking with 0 extra step. You should definitely be taking advantage of merge mining if you can. And in this case with EMCD, you can not only mine Bitcoin, but you can mine fractal Bitcoin. You can not only mine Litecoin, but you can mine Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bells, Lucky, Pep, Junk, and Dingo. With Caspa, you can mine Caspa and CAU. So merge mining is a great way to take advantage of using one piece of hardware to mine multiple coins, and EMCD has it set up for you right here in your dashboard. If you want to give EMCD a shot, I'll have 2 separate links for special offers in the description. The first link is for new users that will get 20% off discount on commissions on the first 30 days. The second link is a bonus link, and you should use it if you have more than 5 petahash of Bitcoin hash rate. If you bring more than 5 petahash of hash rate to the table, then you can unlock special offers and discounts if you mine with EMCD. Make sure you use the links and punch in discount code greater for the best deal. EMCD also auto optimizes your setup so you can squeeze maximum profit out of your rigs. Thanks again to EMCD for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, let's get the lottery miner set up. So we're going to go to jingleminer.com, specifically Jingle Miner, not Jingle Mining, but jingleminer.com. And then it will take you to a different website where you can click here where it says Web Flasher. Next, it will ask you to log into your account. Okay, next we're going to connect the lottery miner to the computer via the USB-C. After you connect to USB-C, you should see a QR code. Scan that with your cell phone and connect to Jingle Miner on your Wi-Fi on your cell phone. After you connect to Jingle Miner's Wi-Fi, you're going to see this page right here where you can configure the Wi-Fi so it can connect to your home router, similar to what you did with the crypto tracker. After you connect the solo miner to your Wi-Fi, it's going to pop this page open where you need to put in your SSID and password for your home router. So then we're going to put in whatever pool you decide to use and whatever port that pool uses for solo mining. Don't forget, you need to punch in your Bitcoin address. I'm punching in my Tangent Wallet's Bitcoin address. I like my Tangent Wallet. If you guys are looking for one, you can use discount code GreaterGood. I'll leave that link in the description there, and you get 10% off that if you want to use a Tangent Wallet for your Bitcoin address. But either way, just use any Bitcoin address that you have that's safe. Then I adjusted my time zone based on where I'm at in the world. And then I hit save, and after a very short amount of time, the screen changed to show this mining screen right here that I'm showing you. Now, it might take up to a few minutes. So just so you know, if it takes a little while longer, it's just doing its magic. So mine only took a few seconds and it showed up very quickly. It was pretty easy to get these things hooked up. As you guys can see, it only took about 8 minutes to do both in this video. So if you're looking for a solo miner, use the link in the description and you'll get 1% off. If you're looking for a crypto tracker, use that link in the description, get 1% off. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. It helps more than you know when you guys do that. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good. The greater good. You're still here? Oh, that's right. We were going to do a giveaway. So if you want to win the Jingle Mining Crypto Tracker and the Bitcoin Solo Mini Lottery Miner, I need you to do a few things. I need you to like the video, subscribe to my channel. I will check for both of those things. I need you to comment hashtag Bitcoin in the comments and say something nice about the video or something nice about Bitcoin. And then I will pick a winner about a week from now. Now, just a reminder, like I said earlier in the video, this is for US only. I can't ship these out of the country right now, unfortunately. So thanks for watching and good luck with the giveaway. The greater good.